This first video is truly terrifying. A creepy man knocks on the door to a house where only a woman is in at the moment. He keeps asking questions over and over again, trying to convince the woman to open the door. After a while, her husband, who is not at home, sees the live video from his phone. What is most disturbing is what the man says at the end of the clip. Viewer discretion is advised.
What? Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? I just have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? I just have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? Are you absolutely certain? Sure.
So, who are you?
What? Yeah? Are you sure?
Who are you?
Hey, I just had a couple questions. I just wanted to ask you about TV show. Yeah, can you hear me? What I'm looking for is for the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm going to her and Can you have her open the door? I'm going to and the girl that's on the other side of this door when she lets me in. I want to her and her because I have a knife and a gun. Yeah, and I'm going to knock on her door again. All right. Are you sure? I have no idea. What?
Thankfully, the man was later found and arrested. The next clip shows a woman lurking outside a house and acting very strangely. She approaches the doorbell camera but is startled by a passing car. She tries to act naturally to not draw any attention. Once the car passes, she once again approaches the camera. This time, however, she tries biting it. In this clip, a terrified woman is captured on a doorbell camera, screaming for help, before she is put into a white car that sped away. What is most strange is why they just stand there and watch instead of calling the police. Maybe they were just shocked and didn't comprehend what was happening. Apparently the police were notified about this shortly after it happened. Comment down below what you would have done in a situation like this. This creepy clown was captured on a doorstep camera, standing outside the house, looking inside the window and after a while approaching the door. The next clip also features a scary clown lurking in the neighborhood, but he himself was probably more frightened when he heard a child screaming inside the house and hurried away. This doorbell camera video was taken somewhere in New Mexico. It shows a random person walking up to a house in the middle of the night and goes crazy while trying to gain entry. Is he on drugs or has he just gone crazy? In this doorbell camera video, an old lady with a knife is seen on a doorbell cam in the middle of the night. Here is another person also holding what seems to be a knife. What do you think his intentions were? In this clip there is someone or something walking along the sidewalk in the middle of the night. Is this a walking ghost captured by a Ring camera? Or just the footage playing tricks on us? You decide. Is this cat suddenly flying away like a ghost? Is it a ghost cat or something else? Comment what you think. It's about 3 AM when Michael Hernandez gets a phone alert at his front door. He's deep asleep and doesn't wake up until the third or fourth alert. When he finally opens his eyes, these raging flames outside his house is what he first sees on his phone.
Oh, shit!
Truly shocked about what is happening, he grabs an extinguisher and desperately tries to save his home. But it is no match for the raging fire, which is growing fast and becoming massive. The authorities are yelling at him to give up the fight. Eventually he does and runs away, just as the flames reach his front door. Before we take a look at the last of these creepy doorbell camera clips, hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it. This way you will be notified when we publish new videos. At least 3 new videos a week for you guys. Now let's take a look at number 1 for today's video. The last clip of this video is not particularly the scariest, but definitely the weirdest. Just take a look for yourself. I don't think he understands how doorbells work. You have to push the button with your finger, not with your tongue. The worst part is, that minute was only a fraction of the whole incident. The weirdo stuck around for hours, licking the doorbell. The creep is seen on video for the first time at around 2 AM and last just before 5 AM. During that time, he's in and out of camera range, police said. The homeowners were out of town at the time, but the Ring camera alerted them to the movement at their front door. The family's children were reportedly at home, but didn't wake up during the strange visit. If you want us to make a part 2, leave a like and remember to subscribe with notifications so that you do not miss it.